so much for coming back, and also if you are new here, then please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can stay tuned to my channel. And the first few seconds of the video must have given you an idea about what this video is going to be about. So yes, I'm going to show you an app that will really help you to change the skyline in your pictures, and you can do that very easily using other apps like Snapseed, PixArt and Lightroom. You can easily mask any background and change the background of your picture, but this app that I'm going to show you is particularly made for this purpose, so you need not spend an extra time and extra effort to change the skyline. You can easily do it with this app. So yeah, let's straight away jump to the tutorial. The easiest way to change the skyline in your picture or the background in your picture is this app called Picnic. Just download it. It's completely free. Open your picture in the Picnic app and then you can choose from any of the filters or the skylines that are available in the app, and there are a lot of options. So you can choose any of them and just play around with the brightness and the sharpness and adjust it in your picture the way you want, and that is it. The best part about this app is that you absolutely don't have to worry about selecting the portion of the sky in your image. It does it very perfectly. So that is it, and we are done. Now let me show you a quick way to add some I don't know what to say, maybe some accessories to the picture. Yes, you can add more things to your picture, like I'm adding a small plant in front of the wall. You can do this by going to the sticker option and finding the particular object that you want to add. So I'm just adding some greenery to the picture, and you can go to the option called duplicate and duplicate the object that you have selected from the stickers and replicate it as many times as you want. Duplicating the object would really help you save some time, and you don't have to set the size and alignment of the object again and again. Editing is your canvas. You can add as much as you want and as less as you want. This is your creative field, and I'm just adding few more birds to give it a complete sunset vibe. Ta-da! Your postcard-like picture for Instagram is ready. I don't use this app on a regular basis or a lot because it kind of distorts the actual vibe of the place. And I think if you really want that postcard image that influencers and bloggers have on their Instagram feed, then this app would be a shortcut to achieve those kind of pictures, and you will save a lot of time. So I think this is also a reason, whenever I find any breathtaking location on Instagram, I instantly Google about that place or find videos about that place on YouTube so that I can get a more natural experience about the place. So yes, that is Instagram versus reality, and I think Instagram would give you an idea about what the place is, and YouTube will give you an experience about what the place is. This is the major difference, I guess, and there are a lot of other differences, but I really don't want to focus on Instagram versus the YouTube right now, so I think I should stop here. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, then give this video a big fat thumbs up, that is, like this video, and also comment, share, subscribe. Yes, all of that. And thank you so much for watching. Until then, enjoy the little things in life because life is beautiful. Bye.